Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the initial setup on your Garmin Instinct. So I just purchased this and opened it up, very excited to get it turned on and try it out. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is turn it on by simply holding down the top left button, that's the control button, until it turns on. All right, the screen's on now. Now we need to go to our cell phone and go to our respective app store. I'll be using Android, so I'll be going to the Google Play Store. Once you're in the app store, you want to go ahead and download and install the Garmin Connect app. Go ahead and open it once it's done installing. Once you have the Garmin Connect app open, you'll need to create an account, but after that, you want to go up in the top right and select the plus symbol to add a device. So right off the bat, that's why I turned the watch on first, because it already found that the Garmin Instinct is ready to connect. So I'm going to go ahead and select Connect It. As you can see, my Bluetooth settings gave me a pairing request. I'm going to confirm that. And then you just type the code that is shown on the screen here. So we'll be typing in 341676. And now it's setting up the Garmin Instinct. As you can see, it shows connected right there. Just transferring data. It might even do a software upgrade. It only took about a minute, and we can select next to go ahead and go through the setup. So right here you want to program your sleep time. This helps the watch figure out when you're sleeping, but you can also disable notifications during that time. And you can do that by just selecting no here. Then going to next. Right here is pretty important if you've owned a Garmin watch before. If you have, you can sync all of your data on your past devices to the Garmin Instinct by just selecting yes right here. And then going to next. Right here I recommend skipping so that the goals are automatic. Right here we select sync now to perform the first sync with the watch. As you can see, it's completed and we're now ready to wear the Garmin Instinct. That's how you perform the initial setup on your Garmin Instinct. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Instinct tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.